Today is Saturday. It is raining outside. The sky is gray and dark. Anna is at home. She feels happy because she loves rainy days. First, Anna makes a cup of tea. She puts the kettle on the stove. She waits. The tea is ready. She adds a little sugar. She sits near the window. Anna looks outside. She can see the rain on the glass. The trees are moving in the wind. A cat is sitting under a tree. The cat looks cold and wet. Anna feels sorry for the cat. She opens the door. "Come here, little cat," she says. The cat comes inside. Anna gives the cat some milk. The cat drinks the milk and sleeps on the sofa. Anna smiles. She takes her book and sits next to the cat. She reads for 2 hours. Outside, the rain continues. But inside, Anna and the cat are warm and happy.
Where is Anna? At home. How is the weather? The weather is rainy. What does Anna see outside the window?